using the part operation. So let me show you on how to use the part operation on a sample of cutting or manipulating or changing the benchtop. So let's say I don't need these cabinets in the middle, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these cabinets to extend my base cabinet line. Okay, so this cabinet is extra, we'll delete it. So first we'll put our bench as we used to talk about in the previous video. So we will select a cabinet, we will select a wall, we'll confirm that we are happy with this wall, we'll select another cabinet, we'll select a wall, we'll specify we are hanging 20 on the right, we are hanging back gap is 0, 20 on the left, back gap for the second bench top is 0. So we've got a bench top here, nothing specific at the moment. So if you go to 3D view, we can see we got here the bench top. So what we're gonna do, so we're gonna first use operation for the bench tops, particular for the bench top, there is an operation called an offset. You can click on offset, and now you can see on the bottom select age to offset. You can offset this age, and you can see error where the actual offset should be made. We can go negative, we can go minus 300, and that will extend bench top this way. So let's have a look what we can do with this bench top. Let's have a look on a rounding operation. So rounding operation here. So we can specify a corner and we can specify the radius. So now we got a round on a bench top. So the second operation is a chamfer. So let's come and have a look how we're gonna do a chamfer. Let's say we want to have a chamfer 100. You can see it here. Next operation will be cut on a corner. So generally you can select cut on a corner. You've got a lot of different options. You've got corner operation, you can do rounding, you can do a specific arc, you can specify that arc using an angle and a lot of different shapes, but we'll go with a pretty standard one. So we will go and choose this corner, and we'll specify the length of cut, and we'll specify a depth of cut. So you got this 50, 100. So now you got that. So the next operation is cut along on the side. So what's going to happen, this operation will have as well a lot of different options. So we can go with a pretty standard operation. This operation has a figure the start point. So let's say we'll put the start point 50, the length will be 100, and width will be 50. So if you can see, so we've got this cut out here. So you can see this is this cutout. So now our bench top looks like this. So if we're gonna go back and we're gonna use, let's say, cut along the line or cut by surface, sorry. So if we gonna specify part, and we're going to specify one point, and we're going to specify the second point. Let me go better in a wire mode view, because I can see in the wire mode I can see all my points. So I want to cut using a one specified line. So I'll specify this point, and let's say I'll specify that point, and I can change direction. I will specify which direction we're gonna cut. So to change this direction, you need to press or space bar. Can you see I'm pressing on the keyboard space bar, and confirm, click enter or right click and specify how far you want to move. Let's say we're gonna move 20, and of that line we'll offset our cutting line 20, and we'll have this trim, so you can see it. Next operation is offset of the edge. So we can offset of the edge. Let's say if you got an edge as I did before, I'll offset this edge, and I'll click. You can see arrow here on the bottom, the blue one, and I will offset will work this direction where you got an error. I'll go negative 300 again, and I will extend this benchtop this direction. One more operation we've got here. This is a pocket. Pocket is just general operation which is going to make a pocket for us, and we will go dx 100 and dy negative 300, and we'll do a little pocket with a depth of 10 mil, and we can see this pocket will be here. So if you'll go in a color mode, so you can see here this pocket.